Hi, Sarah. It's been a while. How have you been?
Hi, Ben. I've been good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Have you had any interesting travel adventures recently?
Yes, actually, I spent 2 weeks in Japan recently. It was incredible.
Japan? That's fantastic. Which cities did you explore?
I went to Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. Each city had its own unique charm.
I can imagine. What did you think of Tokyo?
Tokyo was amazing. It's such a vibrant city with so much to do. The Shibuya crossing was a highlight for me.
I've seen pictures of that. It looks chaotic but fascinating. Did you visit any traditional places?
Yes, I did. In Kyoto, I visited the Fushimi Inari Shrine and the Kinkakuji Temple. Both were stunning.
The Fushimi Inari Shrine with its endless torii gates is on my bucket list. Did you get to experience any local festivals?
Unfortunately, I missed the big festivals, but I did see some local celebrations in the streets, which was lovely.
That's still pretty cool. What about the food? Did you try anything particularly memorable?
Absolutely, I tried sushi, ramen, okonomiyaki, and even some unusual snacks like takoyaki. Everything was delicious.
Takoyaki. I've heard those are good. I tried some amazing food when I was in Spain last year.
Spain is wonderful. Which cities did you visit?
I visited Madrid, Barcelona, and Seville. Each city had its own vibe and charm.
Barcelona is one of my favorite cities. Did you see the Sagrada Familia?
Yes, it was breathtaking. Gaudi's work is so impressive and unique.
Absolutely. Seville is beautiful too. Did you catch a flamenco performance?
Yes, I did. It was mesmerizing. I also visited the Alcazar and enjoyed the stunning gardens.
The Alcazar is gorgeous. Did you get to try any traditional Spanish dishes?
Yes, I had paella, tapas, and churros with chocolate. Spanish cuisine is amazing.
I agree. Did you manage to pick up any Spanish while you were there?
A little bit, enough to get by with greetings and ordering food. What about you? Did you learn any Japanese?
Yes, I learned some basics like konnichiwa and arigato. It's always fun to try speaking the local language.
Definitely. So, any plans for your next adventure?
I'm thinking about visiting Australia next. How about you?
I'm considering a trip to Canada. The landscapes there look incredible, and I'd love to explore the national parks.
That sounds amazing. Let's keep each other posted on our travel plans.
Absolutely. Safe travels, Sarah.
Thanks, Ben. You too.